Okay, I'm gonna put on some retouche varnish on this. I'm gonna send it to my gallerist, and I just want to show you how I enhance the. Now it has dried. I painted this in my barn studio in my home Iceland, Karmøy in Norway, and that's why it's a little bit different in colors that I usually have in my paintings, because when the studio light is different, the paintings come out different. But anyway, it became quite okay. So I'm gonna put this Retouching Varnish from Old Holland, and that was basically my front page photo. So what I do, I use the Retouching Varnish because I don't like when it becomes too. I can actually get closer now. Zoom a little bit. I don't like much the damar varnish. I think it's too thick. It gives it too much glazing, and I cannot build my paintings so physically that a lot of the paint are kind of coming out as it was a relief. So, and when it has really dried quite well, I think 1 layer or 2 layers of this Retouching Varnish is enough, especially when there is not not as many deep shadows and stuff. It can tend to be enough. That is how I like it. I see that many people use the damar varnish and stuff, but personally I prefer it like this, as I said. It's just a thin layer that gives the colors a little bit more zest or punch. So, yeah. So, here it is. Can actually go closer to it and show you the paint and the texture. Just going to take off the camera like this, and okay, now you can actually see it. I'm gonna go a little bit closer so you can see. Actually, I should have. Yeah, I'm gonna restart the film because it's quite dark. Okay, here you can see it's kind of a little bit better, a little bit more bright. See, very yellowish, but as you can see the paint. Come on, zoom. There it is. You can see how the texture is. And what happens when you put the Retouching Varnish on is that the shadows become, everything falls into place and it becomes more 3D. When paint dries, it tends to be more, lose its transparency, and that is what you kind of get back when you put the Retouching Varnish on. So that is why I did it, and you also will find a full painting tutorial in description, and there will be a link probably up here somewhere after this video where I paint this bird. It actually, I started out fresh and then it started to rot, and it was basically just a mummy when I was done with it. That's quite fun. Yeah. I hope that you can help me, help my channel by give a thumbs up, leave a comment, ask questions in description, and share it on social media, and help me get the word out there. And I hope to see you in the next video. So stay cool, keep painting, and have fun. Also check out my Patreon if you want me to teach you how to paint. For only $5 I will actually engage with you on your personal level and add you on Facebook. For 15 I will Skype with you and yeah, stuff like that. Check it out, link in description. So